Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to solve two very relevant questions, and the first one here is 2.27, the second one here is 2.28. So what are these questions? So let me first solve 2.27. So a developer of a new subdivision offers a prospective home buyer a choice of 4 designs. Okay, basically he has a choice of 4 designs. Each has three different heating systems. Okay, a garage or carport and a patio or screened porch. Okay, so these are basically the option he has to offer. So how many different plans are available to this buyer? Okay, so again we have these 4 options, and each of these 4 things, and each has certain type of options. So we can see here that we have here, let me see here, that we have here what these 4 types, and each has some options. So the first one here is word, that is the number of designs, then the number of heating systems represented by H, a garage or carport, so GC. Okay, and this one is a patio or screen porch, so patio or screen porch. So these are the options. So let me write it with this word. Let me write it with this N1, N2, N3, and 4. Okay, so these are the number of options each and every one here has. So how many options do these have? So the value of N1 is 4. Okay, so the value of N1, the number of options for the first slot is 4. The second slot has 3 options because 3 different heating systems, a garage or carport. So we can see that here we have 2 options, garage or a carport, so I can write here 2, and similarly a patio or screen porch. So again 2 options. Okay, so after getting them, I can say you guys that for each of the 4 options these has to be replicated, so therefore I have to multiply them together. Okay, so when I will multiply them, I will get the answer. So it will be 4 3 12, 12 to 24, 24 to is 48. Okay, so the answer of it is word, this is 48. Okay, so this is the answer of this question, which is very easy to understand. Similarly, for a question 2.28, a drug for the relief of asthma can be purchased from 5 different manufacturers in liquid, tablet or capsule form, all of which come in regular and extra strength. Okay, these can be in regular or extra strength. How many different ways can a doctor prescribe the drug for a patient suffering from asthma? Okay, so we can see that here we have 5 different manufacturers in liquid, tablet or capsule form. So 5 different manufacturers. So again, let me have a slot here. Okay, we have a box here which has some slots. So here the first slot here shows the manufacturer. So how manufacturer do we have? So after manufacturer we have how many forms the drug has been available. So liquid, tablet or capsule form. So let me write F, all of which come in regular and extra strength. Okay, so there is also a strength is also available here. So we have here 3 options. So let me remove this one here. So we have here 3 options. Okay. So what are basically the number of options for each of them? So these could be N1 and 2 and 3, and the number of options for M1 is how much? So for N1 we have 5. Okay, this is 5. For N2 we have 1 2 3, and N3 is, it can be in regular or extra strength, so it can be 2. Okay, so again these has to be replicated, so therefore these has to be multiplied together. So 5 3 15, 15 2 is 30, so therefore the answer of it is 30. Okay, so in 30 ways a doctor prescribe the drug for patients suffering from asthma. Okay, so that is basically the answer. So the concept is now clear. You have to first make a box, and in this box you have to make slots according to the choices available to you guys, and then you have to write the number of choices for each of the option here and multiply them together. Why multiplication? Because we can see that every option here, okay, if a first drug manufacturer has made liquid in the regular form, so the same manufacturer can also make the liquid in extra strength as well. So these has to be replicated with each other, so therefore we have to multiply them together, and that's the reason we have made them. So that's it for today, in which we have discussed the things which are essential in statistical analysis. Okay, so I have shown you guys that how to make the things, or how to make different options which can be available in a certain sample space. So that's it for today, and I will see you with some more interesting stuff in our upcoming video. See you soon.